welcome to Nena's Bubbles. Today's video is going to be a DIY and kinda a tip to share with you how to save those puzzles that you're doing for quarantine and not just simply do them and undo them and put them back in the box. So I'm going to tell you how I'm going to be storing mine and how I have actually done it, because I have done this before. So please remember to click subscribe, click the little like if you like this video, click the little bell to notify you when I have a new video, even though I have a video every single Monday. That's the schedule I'm sticking to for right now, but either way, ring the bell to notify you when I do, and let's get started to the video. For this one, we have Luna has done this one, but she likes to undo it and like do it again, and I did this one. It's a 300 piece puzzle. I believe I got this from the 99-cent store. It could have been from the dollar store, I can't remember, but it's 300 pieces and it has these two, and originally I made it like in less than an hour or less than 30 minutes, I can't remember, and I did it on these on this, what do you call it, like plastic case cover lid, and I really like it. I would have liked like it would have been like only one, but it has the two of them and it reminds me of Frida Kahlo, and I like it, so I want to store it. And what you will need if you were do the same thing as me is that you just need to glue it to another surface and kind of protect the top one. I have done one before where I did the same process that I'm going to show you right now, and kind of cover it with another plastic, like a plastic for covering your kitchen table. So you obviously need to do it in a surface that is going to be removable, unless you started on a piece that you were already sticking on, you know what I mean? If you already did this like me, that it's already done, you just need to cut a piece of cardboard or wood that of the size that is your puzzle. My puzzle was at 11 by 14, and you can see I cut it from a box from our pool thing. I can't remember of the word right here. Filter, our pool filter, yes. So I cut a piece that is the same as my puzzle. Hopefully I did it, because I had cut it twice. I did it wrong the first time. So I have it here. So we just need to put it up here and then protect it. You will need these things to protect it or to stick it on. You can actually stick it with just like glue, white glue, but I'm going to be using Mod Podge because I'm going to also put it on the top and seal it with this one. Very nice. It is the matte, it's not the glossy. Either way it works. And then I'm going to use another Mod Podge product, which is Dimensional Magic, which I have used it before in some other projects. These makes certain details dimensional. You can obviously put it in the entire thing, but I wouldn't recommend. I'm just going to be doing it in certain areas of the puzzle. Like for the Mod Podge, you can use a sponge brush or any other kind of brush. I got this from the Michaels. And let's get started. We'll do the top with the same one to seal it in really nicely. Try to move fast, because remember, the longer you leave like a clump of Mod Podge in one area, the more that area is gonna flood up, like, you know, plump up with product. So you gotta work fast. Spread that thing fast. almost immediately gets stuck to wherever area you're using it. I don't recommend to put it in a plastic, but yeah. So we're gonna leave it there for approximately maybe, it says that the 15 to 20 minutes in between coats, but I'm not gonna do that. So there is that. So we're gonna wait about 30 minutes for it to finish, like completely dry, if not overnight. And then we're gonna do the Mod Podge Dimension of Magic in certain areas. This is the day after. I want to go next to my window so you can see how the difference in the glossy of just the Mod Podge mat it looks, and it's completely secured to the cardboard. So now I'm gonna go in and try Dimensional Magic on areas like lips and things like that to pop them up just a little bit. The final product, you can see hopefully with lighting. I'm gonna move a little bit this way so you guys can see. You can see the little parts here, like on her cheeks, her lips, the eyebrows, the eyelids. It's a little bit glossy and bump up, as well as her necklace, her earrings, and her whole flower headband kind of thing. Let me see. You can see it here. Look at that. You can see the matte and you can see the glossy part of her thing right here. I got my daughter. She messed up with it while I wasn't looking, and it got all over her face. But you can see the birdies are glossy as well. It looks pretty nice. This is how you can make sure that you save your puzzle and that is glossy, protected. You can put over here in the back maybe a thread or one of those frame things to put it in the wall, and you can hang it in the wall if you want. It's very easy, very nice, and it's a nice looking frame, and you can be proud of it that you made it. Yeah, hopefully you guys like this idea. It was helpful. And don't forget to click subscribe, like, ring the bell, and we'll see you next time. Peace.